Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. Today we take a detailed look at the 2025 BMW XM 1000 HP, a machine that pushes boundaries in power, luxury, and technology. BMW has always been known for creating performance-oriented vehicles with a sense of premium sophistication, but the XM takes it to an entirely different level. This SUV is not just about presence and style. It is a bold declaration of what BMW's M division can achieve when it unleashes its full potential. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW XM 1000 HP delivers staggering performance figures. It is powered by a hybrid powertrain that includes a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric motor. This setup combines to produce an incredible 1,000 horsepower, making it the most powerful road-going BMW ever created. The acceleration is mind-bending with a 0 to 60 time in under 3.5 seconds despite its large and luxurious body. It feels more like a sports car than a full-size SUV when you press the accelerator, and the instant torque from the electric motor ensures responsive performance in any driving situation. BMW has also tuned the suspension and chassis to match the power. The XM features Adaptive M Suspension Professional, Active Roll Stabilization, an MX Drive all-wheel drive system with an electronically controlled limited slip differential at the rear. The result is exceptional grip and handling for an SUV of this size. Whether you are taking corners at speed or cruising on the highway, the XM offers stability and confidence at every turn. Inside the cabin, the 2025 XM lives up to the expectations of a high-end luxury SUV. Premium materials surround the driver and passengers, including extended merino leather, ambient lighting, and sculpted surfaces that feel modern yet luxurious. The cockpit is driver-focused with a curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one continuous panel. BMW's iDrive 8.5 system powers the interface, offering customizable layouts, natural voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Rear passengers are not left out of the experience. The XM offers excellent space and comfort with heated and ventilated seats, premium sound system, and a luxurious atmosphere that rivals high-end sedans. Rear seat entertainment and multiple charging options ensure that long journeys remain comfortable and connected. For those who value exclusivity, BMW also offers bespoke customization options, including individual color choices and interior trims. When it comes to exterior design, the XM stands out with a bold and aggressive stance. It is not subtle by any means. The oversized kidney grille, sharp lines, sculpted hood, and massive wheels give it a futuristic and commanding appearance. The signature M-Quad tailpipes, large rear diffuser, and illuminated accents further emphasize its high-performance identity. The styling is polarizing but unmistakably BMW M. Technology and safety are equally impressive in the XM. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Parking is made easier with the remote control parking feature. The XM also features over-the-air software updates, allowing the vehicle to receive new features and improvements over time. The 2025 BMW XM 1000 HP is a groundbreaking vehicle for the brand. It blends monstrous performance with refined luxury and cutting-edge technology. It is not just an SUV for those who want to go fast but a statement of ambition and engineering excellence. Whether you are a performance enthusiast or a tech-savvy luxury car buyer, the XM has something to impress you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly subscribe to Auto Pulse Media for more in-depth reviews and updates on the world's most exciting vehicles.